Welcome to the first edition of Kai's Garage. Prepare to go on an adventure like none other than before. First, as we enter, you'll see we are more than well equipped for projects. Printers rolling, and here we are with our first lithium battery pack, really well constructed, and we're currently working on a box. We'll talk about that a little more. Here's the electric bike, looking good as always. I always keep it minty. So I actually have it apart right now because I'm designing a new battery pack for it using the 3D printer, which takes a long time. But recently it got an upgrade. I can actually now read the speed. Oh yeah, there's no battery pack, so nothing's gonna happen, but it's got a nice hand throttle here. Anyways, I just wanted to give this video as like a brief introduction to kind of the laboratory we got going on here and just kind of show you guys what we're all about. So in this armoire here, we got some lithium batteries for future projects. Down here, we have the spot welder we talked about in previous episodes. Still need to kind of repackage that into something better. Cat tree here, also an ongoing project. So this is the spool system I've come up with for the 3D printer. It just kind of spins, and honestly it works pretty well. I've had this thing printing for about 4 days straight. Up here's the extruder where it's actually being fed in through the tube down into the 3D printer. So I'm working on a wall right now. You can see it's going here about 210 degrees Celsius up here to melt the plastic, and it's going pretty good. So I'll just show you guys quickly how I'm kind of like making this sort of deal. So the program I'm using is Google SketchUp, and using Google SketchUp I'm able to design the parts. You can see I designed this side piece here. That took about an hour and a half to print, a little quicker than these vertical ones, and over here you can see the finished product. Honestly, not a bad quality, so stay tuned. I'll have some more DIYs on here. Right now I got the DIY cooling package on the power supply. Got some Golden State Warriors going on, and a heart, of course. Gotta keep the love real. Alright, so peace out guys. Great talking with you today. See you on next episode of Kai's Garage.